Hello everyone, my name is Manish Malik and I'm a 38 years old woman. I have a child and I'm a massage and facial massage enthusiast. I'm an energy healer. I'm a facial reflexologist. Okay, so I am not against Botox and fillers for anyone, but they are not for me for sure. I have autoimmune and I have other several issues in my body, so I do not want to indulge in all these, treatments, invasive treatments. Okay, so if you are in your 30s or 40s or beyond, you may have noticed a lack of radiance when it comes to skin. Do not worry. This is unfortunately a common problem for many women with more mature skin. I am doing facial massages from last more than I think 7 8 years. Earlier, I was doing many mistakes, like from where to start, how to start, how much pressure we can use. Now, after that, I did many courses of facial massages from different people. I learned fascia massages. I learned gua sha, cupping, and all these things. So now my hands move automatically because of general life stress or busy work life. I know we women have to expect a lot of life changes, and I'm in my late 30s, so I have started feeling some perimenopause symptoms, and sometimes it breaks out in my skin, and there are so many things which is happening into my skin, and our skin doesn't look as smooth, as youthful, as illuminated it as it once did. If I'll tell you that my skin looks much better in my 30s rather than in my 20s, because at that time I had no idea like what skincare I have to use. I was doing so many mistakes, as we all do, and so now I know that I have to take care of my skin internally as well as externally. So if you do not want to indulge yourself in so many treatments, like, because they are very expensive also, and it's not easy to get a good dermat, good esthetician, and it's not easy to to, like, for me, I'm very, like, very darpo kind of person. I just cannot go to a dermat and said, okay, just do this and this. I cannot do it. I it's not very easy to trust anyone when it comes to skin. So I am doing fascia massages from like few years, and they are really helpful. If you can see my skin, it's very, I have very thick skin. It's not very thin skin. Okay, so if you want to know more about fascia, let's talk about fascia. The fascia is a layer of continuous, densely woven connective tissue that protects every organ, bone, and muscle in your body. It is often rich in collagen, which is the main protein responsible for beautiful, wrinkle free skin. Amazingly, massaging your fascia can identify areas of tightness and pain and help release them. This in turn minimizes stress and releases tension within your facial muscles, soothing tight, uncomfortable skin and relieving facial pain. Earlier, I used to have a lot of pain in my facial muscles, but now it's not happening at all. So I don't want to deep dive into, like, fascia and all these things. I would love to tell you, like, as you can see, that I started from my neck, my chest, and then slowly I was moving to my neck, and then I'm going towards, like, I started my facial massage from, it starts from the chest, and then it will go to my chin, then my my masseter muscles, and then my cheeks, and it will go to the my skull. So this is, and actually this is just a 7-minute massage. I sometimes I do it for 10 minutes, for 20 minutes. Like, if I have a lot of time, then I indulge in good fascia massages, and especially if no one is around me, because this is the time, this is a me time, when I spend it with myself. And and having a good time with yourself is really a luxury for in today's busy time. And what to say, I'm just okay. So the main thing I would like to tell you that we should not do excessive pulling, and we should not, the main thing which we have to clear, that we should not do excessive pulling, and it should not be too soft. It is a deep massage. It's not on the skin, it's on fascia. So it should not very easy, and it should not very uncomfortable. It should be like very comfortable, very, it should not create any pain. So this is the main thing we have to understand. And you will automatically learn after spending a lot of time with yourself. You will understand like what your skin is trying to say you, what's your, basically what is your body trying to say you. I like, it's actually everything is interconnected. When we have tension in our chest, in our neck, it pulls down the fascia of the face. So this is what happens. So we have to understand like how much pressure we have to create. And what else I should say? So if you will say, so here you will see that I am putting a right amount of pressure which is bearable for me. I don't know if you can see it or not, but the pressure I am putting is like, it's not too much and it's not too soft. And second thing, I am not using any facial oil here. I do it without facial oil, and I know how much pressure I have to take. This is not the normal massages where you have to use the oil. It's a fascia massage, and in this fascia massage we do not need to use any oil. It's a fascia massage. It's not a normal facial massage, which many people do. Like if you have seen many videos, it's entirely different. And if you follow someone who does the same fascia massage, then you can ask them, that what oil are they using, oil or not. No, they are not using oil. I have learned fascia massage from an esthetician also from US, and she recommend not to use any facial oil until the skin is very very dry. So my skin, and after